Hi everyone. Today I will introduce this step for making a fresh name. Firstly, uh, we prepare some meat and egg and noodle, onion, carrots, mushroom, uh, perfume, and sauce and cooking oil. And step 2, we are cut the carrots and onion into similar size piece. Step we are cut the onion into cinema size P. Next step, we are sure the noodle and mushroom with warm water and wait 2 for 3 minutes, and we are clean husk and cut the husk into similar size. We are cut noodle into similar size, small size, and fix and we break on egg for mix with milk, noodle, and onion. And we next step we are into some meeting and perfume. And sauce. Next step, we are clean the pan and turn on the gas. And wait a few minutes for pan enough heat, and after we are pour a little oil cooking to the pan. While we fry them, and now we have fried them, and it is delicious. I often fry them on Sunday with my friend.